Hello students, so in this video I am going to solve question number 3 of exercise 1.3 class 9th NCERT book. The question is express 0.47 in P by Q form where Q is not equal to 0. See 0.47, the bar is only in 7. Okay, so it means this is, so first write solution. So we can write 0.4777 dot 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 dot, let this equal to x, and after then multiply both side in 10. Both side. So if we multiply 10 in 0.477, then dot, then it will be 4.777 dot 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 is equal to 10x. Now let this equation first, let this equation 2 subtract 2 minus 1, 2 equation 2 minus equation 1 means 10x minus x will be equal to 4.777 dot 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 minus 0.4777 dot dot dot. So here 10x minus x is equal to 9x. 4.37 minus 4 will be equal to 4.3. ठीक है ना? Okay, so 9x is equal to 4.3. So can we write 9x is equal to 43 by 10? Now x will be equal to 43 by 90, and this is your answer. Alright students, so thank you so much for watching this video, and for this kind of content you can subscribe this channel.